Namaste, welcome to Yes to Health. Today we'll be doing hip opening, 15 minutes of hip opening yoga postures. And as we all know that yoga, hip opening, hip is, place where we women carry most of our stress and tension. And that is why hips generally gets heavy and lot of emotional and lot of stress is stored around hips. So let's just open our hips, let's bring about flexibility and strength, and at the same time release all the emotions and tension from our life. So let's start with the hip opening yoga series. So let's sit in a down dog position. Just sit in a child pose. Few breath here in child pose. Then come into down dog. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stretch your right arm out, left leg back, and hold this posture for 5 breaths. And exhale. Place your palms and knees on the mat. With your next inhale, stretch your right arm forward, left arm forward, right leg back, and breathe. 1. Engage your core, engage your thighs. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, relax. Inhale, tuck your toes and exhale into down dog. Just few breaths in down dog. So, as we are in down dog, just push your hips towards the ceiling. Pressing your sternum, your chest towards the mat. Create a space between your palm and your hips. Bend your knees alternately so that you release the tension from the legs. Just move your hips sideways, releasing all the tension, all the stiff muscles. Pressing heels towards the mat. Your palms mat width apart. Feet hip width apart. And with your next inhale, drop your knees on the mat. And exhale, come into embryo pose, Balasana. And stay here for a few breaths. 3, 4, and 5. Tuck your toes, exhale, and inhale. Inhale and exhale, come into down dog. Inhale, walk or jump towards your hands, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bring your arms up towards the ceiling. Look up, release. Just stretch your hip muscles and exhale, arms by your side. Shivananda Surya Namaskar, very good for releasing creating flexibility around your hips. Bring your palms at your heart center and inhale, stretch your arms forward and up. And bend back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, right leg back. Sanchalana, chest lifted up. Hold your breath, second leg back. Exhale, chin, chest, knee on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg forward. Chest lifted up. Sanchalana. Back leg is straight. Exhale, second leg forward. Pull it towards the knee. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and up. And exhale, bring your palms at your heart center. Just flow with your breath. Don't worry about getting into the deep posture. Just flow. It's like a flowing meditation. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and up. Exhale, forward fold, hinging from the hip. Inhale, left leg back. Hold your breath, second leg back. Exhale, chin, chest, knee on the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, second leg forward. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and up. And exhale, bring your palms at your heart center. Surya Namaskar, Ashtang B. So we'll be doing some workout, some good work on our hips, on our thighs before getting into that Surya Namaskar with Utkatasana. So inhale, keep your feet together, core engaged, tailbone tucked in, kneecap lifted. Inhale, bring your arms up, bend your knees. And exhale, straighten your leg, arms by your side. Inhale, up. Exhale, straighten your leg. Inhale, up. Exhale, straighten your leg. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Inhale, up dog. Thighs off the mat. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot forward. Back, heel up. Inhale, bring your arms up. Crescent lunge. Exhale, palms down. We'll do some workout on our thigh. Inner thigh muscles. Inhale, up. And core muscles. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step your left foot forward. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, palms on your mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, walk or jump towards your hands, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend your knees, bring your arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot forward. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step your left foot forward. Bring your arms up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, walk or jump towards your hands, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend your knees, bring your arms up. Exhale, arms by your side. This is the time when we set intention for the practice. Why we come to the mat. Feel the energy. Let your breath come back to normal. And then we start the other asanas. So this video is small. I'm making a small video. So I'm just doing it faster. So inhale. Lift your right leg up. Right foot against left inner thigh. Palms at your heart center. Inhale, arms up. Hold this for 5 breaths. Exhale down. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Step, press your left foot against right inner thigh. Exhale, bring your palms at your heart center. Inhale, bring your arms up and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, step your right leg back. Both feet parallel to each other. Turn your right foot to 90-degree angle. Inhale, bring your arms up. Core engaged, tailbone downward. Your kneecap lifted, and exhale. Shoulder over your hips. Look towards your right fingertips. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, come into Parshva Right elbow on your right knee. Stretch. Extend your arm forward. Back leg pressing the mat. Outer edge of the back leg. And if you want to go deeper into the posture, you can bring your palm in front of your right foot. And exhale. Straighten your leg. Turn your right palm. Inhale. Straighten your right leg and come into reverse triangle. So stretch like bow and arrow. And exhale, come into triangle. 1, 2. Inhale, come up. And exhale, hands on your hips. Turn both feet parallel to each other. Let's repeat it with the left side. So turn your left foot to 90-degree angle. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, warrior 2. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Left elbow, left thigh. Inhale. Extend your right arm towards your left. Look up and breathe. And if you want to go deeper, you can place your left palm in front of your left foot and look up. Hold this posture for 5 to 6 breaths. I am holding it for only 3 breaths. And inhale. Bring your arms up. Exhale into warrior 2 one more time. Turn your left palm, straighten your left leg. Inhale, reverse triangle. And exhale into triangle. Hinging from the hip. Hinging from the hip. Open your chest towards the ceiling. Upper shoulder going back. Front shoulder come in front. And breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale up. And exhale. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale, come to the front of the mat. And exhale, come into Samasthiti. Garudasana. Just wrap your right leg around your left leg. And wrap your arms around. Go down. Keep your upper arm parallel to floor and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, relax. Do other side. Wrap your left leg around your right leg. Hook your left foot to your right calf. So left thigh up, right arm down. Wrap your arms and go down and breathe. Shoulder blades pulling away from each other. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, relax. Now take a wide stance. Take a medium stance, parallel to each other. Now turn your both feet towards the front of the mat. Both feet hip width apart. Inhale, interlock your hands behind. And exhale, forward fold. Pushing your back hip front, front hip back. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, come up. Exhale, place your hands on your hips. Inhale, turn towards the back of the mat. Same alignment. Interlock your hands behind. Inhale. and exhale, forward fold, hinging from the hip. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, come up. Exhale, place your hands on your hips. Inhale, turn towards the front of the mat. And exhale, come into Samasthiti. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, hinging from the hip. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, drop your knees on the mat. Cross your ankles. Inhale, and stretch your legs out. Bharadwajasana. Now bend your right leg. Fold your right leg in Vajrasana. Now take your right ankle over your left ankle over your right upper thigh. Left arm behind. Inhale and exhale. Place your right palm on your left knee and look towards your right side. 1, 2, and 3. Relax and do the other side. So this time left leg. If you have a stiff knee muscles, so if you don't want to bring it and hip muscles are tight, don't want to bring it up on your upper thigh, so you can place it under your left thigh. Right foot under your left thigh and just stay here. So now right arm behind. Inhale, stretch and exhale. Place your left palm on your right knee and look back and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale up and exhale. Relax. Stretch your legs out. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, arms up and exhale, forward fold. Hold your big toes with 3-finger grip. Inhale and exhale, forward fold. Inhale and exhale. Keep your belly to your thighs, knee bend and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale up and exhale, relax. Halasana. So lie down. Lift your legs up and exhale. Bring your toes behind your head. Interlock your hands behind your back and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, bend your leg. Bring your knees towards your ear. Curved Virasana and breathe. 1, 2, and 3. Support your hips and slowly come down. Matsyasana. So forearms on the mat. Inhale, lift your chest up. Drop your head back. Inhale, lift your chest up. Drop your head back. Inhale and exhale and breathe. 1, 2, and tuck your chin to chest and exhale. Relax. Just bring your knees to your chest. Stretch your arms sideways. Exhale to your right. Inhale to center. Exhale to your left. Inhale to center. Hug your knees one more time. And exhale, come into Shavasana. So stay in Shavasana for at least 5 to 6 minutes. So these were the few asanas which we can do to open our hips. And I did it only for 3 breaths, but if you want, like my original session was for 1 hour. So we were holding it for at least 6 breaths each asana. So do this and you can repeat the asanas like you do it one time and then you do it again. This also you can do. So keep practicing and namaste.
Please share, like and subscribe my video and make comments.